Your beloved fall coffee ritual might be sabotaging your health goals more than you ever imagined. While autumn hasn't officially arrived, Starbucks has already unveiled its seasonal offerings, sending pumpkin spice enthusiasts into their annual frenzy. The coffee giant has brought back customer favorites, including the iconic pumpkin spice latte, the refreshing pumpkin cream cold brew, the indulgent pecan crunch oat milk latte, and the warming pumpkin cream chai. But here's where it gets controversial. Nutrition experts are sounding alarm bells about what these seemingly innocent seasonal treats are actually doing to your body. The numbers behind these festive beverages are genuinely shocking. Take the pumpkin cream cold foam in a grande size. You're looking at a staggering 250 calories packed with 31 grams of sugar. Even more alarming? The smallest pumpkin spice latte delivers 270 calories alongside 34 grams of sugar. To put this in perspective, that's more sugar than you'd find in 2.5 donuts. Coffee enthusiasts across social media are expressing their disbelief as these nutritional facts come to light. One bewildered customer posted on X, "Why is a grande pumpkin chai at Starbucks 500 calories? Insanity." Another shared their wake-up call moment. "Bruh, I was going to Starbucks daily getting a pumpkin spice latte and a pumpkin loaf. I'm basic and never realized I was like consuming most of my calories in the morning." The reality check hit even harder when a personal trainer demonstrated that a single pumpkin spice latte contains the same 390 calories as eating 4.5 whole pumpkins. And this is the part most people miss: the hidden health consequences that go far beyond just extra calories. Virginia-based dietitian Katie Hadley from Holistic Health Wellness doesn't mince words when discussing these popular beverages. While the flavors are festive, the drinks are absolutely loaded with sugar, Hadley reveals. She emphasizes that a grande pumpkin spice latte contains approximately 50 grams of sugar, which represents nearly double the recommended daily sugar intake for most adults. But here's where the real controversy lies. Hadley argues that these drinks create a perfect storm for metabolic chaos. Unlike a balanced meal, these drinks don't have enough fiber and protein to offset the inevitable blood sugar spike, and can have negative effects on triglycerides and heart health, she explains. This raises a provocative question. Are coffee chains prioritizing profits over public health by marketing these sugar bombs as seasonal treats? The absolute worst culprit on the entire menu might surprise you. According to Hadley, the iced pumpkin cream chai takes the cake, with an astronomical 66 grams of sugar in just a grande size. That's equivalent to consuming more than 16 teaspoons of pure sugar in a single sitting, more than 3 times the daily recommended limit. However, before you swear off your seasonal coffee tradition entirely, there are strategic ways to maintain the fall flavors while dramatically reducing the health impact. Hadley suggests several practical modifications: requesting fewer syrup pumps, substituting with unsweetened almond milk, and eliminating whipped cream toppings. These simple adjustments can significantly lower both the calorie count and sugar content without completely sacrificing the seasonal experience. For those willing to take control of their fall beverage destiny, creating homemade versions presents an even more dramatic improvement. Hadley points out that crafting your own autumn-inspired drinks at home can slash sugar content from 50 grams down to under 10 grams. The secret lies in using unsweetened milk alternatives and selecting plant-based creamers that deliver rich flavors without the excessive added sugars. This brings us to a thought-provoking dilemma. Should companies like Starbucks be required to display calorie and sugar information more prominently? Or is it solely the consumer's responsibility to make informed choices? Are we enabling a culture of nutritional ignorance by continuing to purchase these drinks despite knowing their health implications? What's your take? Do you think the pleasure of seasonal indulgence justifies the potential health risks? Or should we collectively demand healthier options from major coffee chains? Share your thoughts and tell us whether you'll be modifying your fall coffee orders this season.